Welcome to Coding Shiksha. So today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to generate a very simple PDF document using Vue.js. So this is the app. You can see that this is a button here, generate PDF. If I hit this button, a PDF file will be downloaded. You can see that if I open this file, hello world will be there inside it, a string. So we will be looking at how to convert, how to just make this. So for the IDE I am using Code Sandbox. So this is basically a online IDE for making web applications. So just go to it, and you should be having a GitHub account for creating an account, and then after creating the account you can just click on create sandbox, and then you can just select your language. Let's suppose Vue. I select it and it will create the Vue project for you instantly. So it is transpiling the modules. You can see that. Now I need to add a dependency of jsPDF. So just click this button, add dependency, and just search for jsPDF. So this is the library that we will be using. So just click it and instantly it will be you can see that it will be transpiling it in the background. So once this is done, we will move on to the app.vue file here. So in this file we will write our code. So first of all, I just need to delete this inside this all this code here. So we will write from scratch here. So if I write a heading here inside it, let's suppose hello world, so it will auto refresh. You can see that hello world. So now in this we will have a very simple button which will be having a text which is generate PDF. That's it. So now if I refresh it, you can see that this is a button. So if I want to click it, I want to bind a on click listener. So just bind a on click listener, and we will be executing this generate PDF function. That's it. So this is the way by which you can just bind on click listener in Vue.js. So now after that, just move on to this section. So just after that, provide a methods property here, and in methods we will be writing our generate PDF method. So we will just write here function generate PDF, and first of all we will initialize a new instance of jsPDF. But before that we need to import the library. So just after in the script tag, so just write here import jsPDF from jsPDF. That's it. So now after importing it, we just need to initialize a new instance. Just make a new document, initialize a new instance of jsPDF. Now write some text into it. So I will write here hello world doc.text, and the two arguments will be x and y position, so 15 15. So now after providing x and y, we just need to save the document. So for that we have a function which is doc.save. So it expects a name of the PDF document. So let's suppose I give PDF doc.pdf. That's it. So now if I sorry, this function keyword is not present here, so just delete this. So and put also a comma after this, just put a comma. So now you can see that all the errors are gone here. So now if I hit the generate PDF button, you will see that PDF has been generated. If I open this file, you will see that hello world is written. If I change the text here to something else, that is this PDF is generated by Vue.js, and again refresh the application, generate PDF, open it. So now you will see that this PDF is generated by Vue.js. So in this very simple way, you can just use jsPDF library and generate a PDF document using it in Vue.js. So thanks very much for watching this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.